on. Actually, no, I don't want to.
Excuse me, I street photographer and I make this gift for you. This is a souvenir. Thank you, guys. You guys. No. Just.
Are you sure?
I'm a street photographer. I make this for free.
Much, bro. Thank you. That's very nice of you.
Where you guys from?
Thank you. England. From England.
England. Oh, my favorite country.
Yeah.
I watch football all the
Who do you
time.
support?
Arsenal. They are suck. Yeah, but anyway, I like them.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye bye.
Have you got an Instagram?